Hey guys, so this is one of the restores I stop at regularly. That's 120. I think that Universal, it's bent, was here last time. That Industrial was here last time. That's kind of interesting, but not for me. I actually like these low profiles. That's my favorite low profile variation. Might actually get it, actually. I even like it better than these. There. Now these are getting pretty bent up. Bayport. Oh, with a copper chandelier on the bottom. A lot of fluorescent tubes. Most of this has been here. Some brass track lighting mixed in. One homestead blade. Yeah, I'm on the fence about that Hunter, but I do like them, and it's the kind of thing that if I had a place to install, I'd want to have one. So I think I'll probably get it. Okay, thanks for watching.